Hey everyone, it's Darlene here. Sorry about the voice, I'm still sick. Anyways, today I'm going to do an unboxing of a Influenster box that I received. I also am going to do a try on. I was so stinking excited when I heard that I got this box. It is full of Anastasia Beverly Hills goodies, like all for the brows. It's like $106 worth of products. So I can't wait to get into this. I already love this brand. I buy it all the time. So what I actually received in this box, it came with some cards that tell about like different looks and stuff that you can do, how to do it, different steps, and all that fun stuff. So sorry. The first thing is the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the brow definer, and I got the shade soft brown, and then I got the clear brow gel. I got the stencils if you want to use stencils to do your eyes. I'm really good at doing my eyes without stencils, but I'll go ahead and open this up just to kind of show you what they look like. I actually used to want these like all the time, and I'll probably end up using them on days where I'm just feeling lazy. But how cool is that? Maybe I can try them today just for you guys. Go ahead and get, are they different ones? Okay, I like arch, full arch, like that is totally me. I don't know if it's going to. So they have different, they have full arch, petty arch, slim arch, medium arch, or high arch. I like a high arch. I'll probably do high arch. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this out so I can use this, because otherwise I'll probably won't. Okay, put it back in that box. Then I got the brow powder duo and the brush 7B. It's a dual and angled brush. And that was everything that was in the box. Okay, so I'm guessing you just snap these things off, and that's how you use that. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you what the brow powder looks like first, because I'll probably go with this, with that, the arch, the stencil. Look how pretty the packaging on that is, by the way. Like, hello. Those are some really pretty colors. And I got soft brown on this as well. I've actually always wanted to try this. As much of a makeup hoarder as I am, I've actually never tried this, just because you can get such, I like the brow gel. That's what I've always used. So this is what she looks like if you do not know. And this is the color soft brown. So on one side it has a spoolie, and on the other side it has this, and it's like the standard like triangle shape. I guess that's what you would call it. And then this, what I love is it's cruelty free. So great brand to support. Sorry, it was getting a little dark. And this is what it looks like. That's kind of weird. Like all the packaging is like rose gold and black, but this is actually silver. So yeah. Okay, let me go ahead and get this brush. I almost bought this brush one time, but I have a lot of brushes like this, so I'm really excited to get to try this out. See how she works. Okay. So there's the spoolie side and the brush, so you can see. Okay, so let's just get right into this. I'm so excited to try this out. I'm like almost completely lost my voice. Okay, so I have a mirror right here, so I'm going to be kind of looking off to the side as I'm doing it, just so that I can see what I'm doing, because I don't know how well it would turn out if I didn't know what I was doing. So I'm going to place this over my brow. It's actually, it goes with my brow quite well. Look at that. So I'm lining her up, and that is pretty even. And then I'm going to go with the lightest shade, and I'm just going to start filling in all these areas. I'm going to start the light shade right here. This is really hard to do. Just because I'm not feeling good, so my body's a little weak. So that's what that looks like if you cannot see. And I'm going to use the darker color going through here. I use the Anastasia, oh my gosh, I'm so sick. The dip brow, is that what it's called? Or the pomade, the pot. That's what I usually use when I have used these products. And I really, really like that one. That one was my go-to. And then I switched from that to Brow Gal. So that's what it looks like. Of course, that's where the line in that was. So I just had to go over that slightly. It's really pretty. I was kind of pushing hard so you can kind of see like the mark on my forehead from pushing so hard. Okay. I'm just like making sure there's nothing on it, and I'm going to line it up on this side as well. Just like so. Oh gosh, this is so hard. If you were probably doing this on somebody, it would be a lot easier, but because I'm doing it on myself, it's a lot harder, and then I can't really use two hands to make sure I'm getting enough product on the brush. So I'd say that's the only hard time I'm having. I'm going in with the darker shade. And I'll show you in a second what I mean by the different shades. Okay, oh. Okay, so that's what that looks like so far. Definitely different than what I'm used to, because I'm used to just like freelancing my eyebrows, and I do a pretty good job at it. What I was saying is you always want to go in the inner part with the lightest shade, and then you always want to use the darker shade at the end of your brows. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with the pencil itself, and I like to just put it up a little bit, and I'm going to start tracing underneath all that. I probably could have went like a shade darker, but I am a blonde right now, so this is probably best suiting for me. So I use like little strokes to create like hairlines. I don't just like, the only time I do draw a straight line is underneath, and then I'll brush it out in a little bit just to soften it, like right here. But even then I try to do like brush strokes. And I'm flicking up right through here. So that is what it looks like so far. And I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. I'll be doing another video actually with these in a couple of days, like just showing me freelance. Because to me it's just easier because I'm not used to like having that much above my brows. But I'm hoping when I put the brow gel in, it'll kind of cover that up a little. So I'm just using the tip of it, the sharp part, just to create more lines. To make it look a little more even. Okay. This is really nice. Okay, so I used everything but the brow gel. So I'm going to go ahead and pop that on and we'll see the final results. Okay, as you can see, it's just a clear brow gel and it'll just kind of set your brows. So I like to brush the front ones up and then I lay these ones down. And I'll be showing you a few different looks throughout this week as I'm trying this out. This is just the first one. So that is the final results. I mean, I like them. I think I do a better job just doing them myself just because I don't like this space up here, but you really can't tell unless you're just like staring at my brows. But I do like how this part of my brows looks, so maybe if I do use them next time, I'll just use it through here because I do like how like that soft like ombre effect that it's having, where it's really light and it kind of just darkens on the way in. So yeah, that was a great Vox box that I got. I will actually put my Instagram link in the description down below. That way you can follow them and see what you can get, because they do give a lot of like free items and stuff. I've gotten so much stuff from Influenster and they're a great company and they let you try full-size items just to test out and to get your thoughts about it. So, I mean, Influencer, wait, where is it? So yeah, Influencer, they're amazing. I am so grateful because like I said, I've gotten so many goodies from them. But yeah, that completes this video. I will put all my social links down in the comments below. I'll put the Influencer link down in the description box below as well. That way if you want to sign up for Influencer and start getting your own Vox boxes. Like I said, this retailed for $106, all these items. As you know, like the company is a really good company, name brand products. You buy them at Sephora. So super excited that I was able to try these out. If you haven't already, please like this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell down below so that you'll be notified every time I do upload a video. Like I said, I'll have some more brow looks coming in this coming week. Right now I'm not feeling good. I don't know if I'm going to record anymore this week just because I need to let my body relax. But that being said, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. God bless.